Forgotten username recovery failed on StepUp fix. If your StepUp username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume StepUp still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that StepUp now relies on your registered email as the main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the StepUp app or website and enter the email linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from StepUp, such as account updates, transaction alerts, or notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact StepUp support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. StepUp removed usernames to simplify login and enhance security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your StepUp account in minutes.